Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Shaw, and the topic of my presentation today is the impact of AI on Microsoft's sustainable competitive advantage. First of all, slide on page 1, what is artificial intelligence? So AI is the ability of computer or computer-controlled robots to perform tasks normally associated with the characters characteristics of human intelligence progress. AI as a formal field was created by at a symposium at Dartmouth College in the summer of 1956. The symposium is widely regarded as the seminal, seminal event that marked the breadth of AI as a discipline. The second slide describes the background of the Microsoft organization, and it can be seen that Microsoft is the world's largest provider of computer software. It is also a leading provider of cloud computing service, video games, computer and gaming hardware, search and other online services. Microsoft corporate headquarters and located in Redmond, Washington, with office in more than 60 countries. And the following is an overview. Microsoft's mission is to enable every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. This mission statement uh, um, emphasi- emphasizes the company's um, commitment commitment is to delivering technology that improves productivity and enable users to realize their potential. Its vision is closely aligned with the mission and Microsoft focus on innovation, accessibility, and global impact through technology. Microsoft's core value include respect, uh, integrity, and accountability. They they emphasizes diversity and inclusion, environmental sustainability, and positive impact on the communities in which they operated. And Microsoft's purpose consistent with its mission is to develop and deliver technology solutions that enable people and businesses around the world to realize their full operation. The capital three slide shows the competitive advantage of the company. Today, Microsoft has a significant existing advantage, often referred to by industry analysts as a large moat. This advantage comes from its position in the software market, particularly its Windows operating system and Office suite, which have become industry standards. In addition, Microsoft's solid financial performances is another key advantage. Microsoft's financial quarterly reports shows significant 13% year-on-year increase in revenue. These financial strengths enable Microsoft to invest in new technologies, acquisition, and research development to maintain its competitive advantage. At the same time, Microsoft has made strategic acquisition. For example, the acquisition of Linton provided it with a strong presence in the professional networking space, while the acquisition of GitHub strengthened is positive among developers. Finally, Microsoft has cloud service, including services such as Azure Office 365 and Dynamic 365, which are important growth drivers for company. I, Azure is one of the world leading cloud platforms, uh, competing closely to Amazon Web Service and Google Cloud Platform. And slide 4 shows the impact of AI on the Microsoft current competitive advantage approach. Firstly, SWOT analysis is a strategic planning um, technique used to identify the threats, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats associated with business competition or project planning. And the SWOT analysis of Microsoft's competition advantage strategy can be summarized as follows. In terms of strengths, Microsoft has significant equity capital leading to strong financial base, which allows it to invest uh, aggressively in R&D and acquisitions. Also, as a global leader in technology, Microsoft has a huge market share in various areas, including cloud computing and productivity software. This allows Microsoft to have well-established distribution channels for its products and service around the world. And in terms of opportunities, Microsoft is continuously expanding into emerging market. Microsoft can further expand into emerging market where digital transformation is uh, accelerating and attract more customers. And in addition to this, Microsoft has huge investment in cloud computing, and with the growth of cloud computing, Microsoft can leverage its Azure platform to gain a greater market share. Also, Microsoft has this strategic acquisition strategy where it acquires innovation companies that can help Microsoft to stay ahead in the technology race and enter new market. And in terms of weakness, Microsoft is overly reliant on PC market. Despite uh, diversification, Microsoft is still heavily reliant on PC market, and this could be a weakness if the market declines. And cybercrime vulnerability is also a big weakness. Like all technology companies, Microsoft is vulnerable to cyber threats, which can affect its operation and reputation. And in terms of threats, the intense competition in the market has resulted in Microsoft facing stiff competition from other tech giants in almost all the area in which it is involved. Above all, rapid technological change requires constant innovation and adaptation, which is challenging for Microsoft. Second, regulation challenges with increasingly stringent regulations around data privacy and antitrust issue, presenting a constant challenge for Microsoft. In summary, by recognizing the opportunities for expansion and innovations, Microsoft can strategically position itself against competitors and adapt to the evolving technology landscape. At the same time, being aware of threats such as competition as regulation ensure that Microsoft can proactively prepare and respond to practice, protect its market position. And the slide 5 shows ethics of AI and the link to organizational strategy. Firstly, deployments of AI must respect timeless value based on the European Charters of uh, Fundamental Rights and democratic um, principles shared by all member states. Ethics AI should be based on common principles such as fairness, reliability, safety, privacy, security, and inclusiveness, and underscored through transparency and accountability. Microsoft is committed to developing AI that treats every fair and avoid bias. They have created tools like the Fairlearn Python package to help developers understand and improve the fairness of their AI systems. In terms of privacy and security, Microsoft um, prioritize user privacy and security in its AI systems. The company has um, implement, implemented strong data governance and cybersecurity measures to protect the data used by its AI system from um, unauthorized access and distribution. And slide 6 shows the extent of AI impact on competition. In terms of Microsoft's strategic um, initiatives and financial performance, AI provide Microsoft with service competitive advantages, enhanced products such as integrating AI into Office 365 to enable advanced uh, features such as um, predictive text and analytic. This integration enhances user experience and productivity, keeping Microsoft products at the forefront of innovation. Second, cloud leadership. With either AI, Microsoft has strengthened its position in the cloud market by providing scalable, scalable AI tool that enable organizations to build a complex AI solution. Last but not least, Microsoft has used AI technology to improve the operational efficiency of its own operations, resulting in cost saving and improved profitability. AI driven analytics help optimize the supply chain, reduce downtime, and improve the decision-making progress. Well, AI offers many competitive advantages to companies like Microsoft. It also presents some challenges and potential disadvantages that could affect competitiveness. Firstly, in terms of investment cost, developing cutting-edge AI technology requires significant R&D investment. The high cost could still pose a risk if the investment does not mm, generate a commensurate return. Second, technology dependence, heavy reliance on AI cloud could lead to vulnerabilities, especially if there are disruptions disruptions in AI UQ system or failures in the AI system. Finally, security risk, as with any technology, AI systems may be vulnerable to security threats. Threats. Microsoft must invest in protecting its AI products from potential cyber a- attacks. And the slide on this page and the next are sources that support the credibility of data in the text. That's all. Thanks for your listening.